Hi there, this is Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. You can see my ID number right there. This is for the $12 Domino Effect postcard program. It's postmarked June 17th. It's either the 17th or the 19th. I can't tell. It's not really printed very good. It came from Reno, Nevada. John joined the Domino Effect postcard program. My ID number again is 8925-11125. It came to me today. Today is Saturday, the 22nd, June 22nd. So I'm going to try and open this without giving away everybody's information. Just downloaded my PDF document. I printed it out. Yes, I printed it out. Cash. There's a stamped envelope that he sent. Careful the way I open this. Yeah. $12. Here's a copy of the PDF document. Not easy to do with one hand. Printed both pages. And then he wrote his address on the second page. That's why I didn't open the second page yet. Yeah. It's a lead generator. I generated a lead from the internet. They downloaded the PDF document. Sent me $12 cash. So it is a funded proposal where you will build your list and get paid to do so. Now what I'm going to do is take his address. I'm going to take his address and information, his name and address and all his information, send it to the admin, and the admin will send him his starter kit. And the admin does everything else. They do the follow-up and send all the papers, all the information, the templates for his postcard, and the admin does everything. It's a $12 system. Pay $12 to join. Direct to you, member to member. So the customer sends the $12 to you or to me or whoever the sponsor is, and then we give all the information to the admin. The admin does the rest. It's very simple. It's a good list builder. It's a good lead generator. It gets attention. Pretty much everybody and their brother can afford $12. It says right here. It says right there. Just cover the $12 personalization, processing, postage, and handling fee for a completely complimentary, nothing left out, everything done for you, automatic money generating system. Michael Jensen, Daily Cash Team. Call me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. My phone number is 352-286-8014. Pause the video and write that down. 352-286-8014. Daily Cash Team. Thank you, Mr. John. I appreciate you. from Reno, Nevada. God bless you all. Jesus is coming. Jesus is Lord. If you need a free Bible, contact me and I'll send you one. If you need to pray, if you need a coach or a mentor to help you with your business, you don't have to give me a dime. Just call me and I'll help you to figure out what we can do or what your issue is, why you're not making money with the opportunity that you're in. Just call me. I will help you. I've helped lots and lots of dozens and dozens of other people to promote their business and make money online. If you need a coach and a mentor, if you like learning, if you like teaching, give me a call. Thank you. Michael Jensen. Bye-bye. Thanks.